Create a cinematic faith-based storytelling song with a magical and emotional atmosphere. Begin softly with gentle piano and warm strings. The story is about a quiet village in darkness and fear, until a humble song rises before dawn and brings hope to everyone. The feeling should be peaceful, emotional, uplifting, and full of faith. Use vivid storytelling and a powerful ending about light, hope, and trusting God.